Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the voice recorder Spy pen with 19-hour battery. This Spy voice recording pen is packed full of features. It has a covert microphone that can pick up audio clearly at up to 30 feet away. It has an extremely long 19-hour continuous recording battery life and can be voice activated. It doesn't stop there, however. What's unique about this recording pen is that it actually is capable of going to sleep when there isn't anyone talking, which greatly conserves the battery life. This allows the pen to go to sleep for up to 30 days before needing to be recharged. It's really built for long-term use. Sorting through the recordings is easy since every file is time and date stamped as well. Next up, I'm going to show you how to start and stop a recording. Immediately afterwards will be an audio quality demonstration. Hello everyone, today what we're going to do is a quality demonstration of the 19-hour Spy pen. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests for you guys today in our retail storefront. Now in order to do these tests for you, we have to first start a recording. Let me show you how to do that. So located on the top and back of the pen, you'll notice a very small white dot. And if I take this top and I spin it, you're going to notice that the white dot turns black. And to take it a step further, if I unscrew the pen, you're going to see a red light flashing right here. When that red light stops flashing, that's going to tell you guys that you started the recording. So now all of the audio you're hearing currently is actually being recorded by the device itself. Now our storefront here is 20 feet wide by 30 feet long. The first test we're going to do for you guys today is a conversation test, and for that test I'm going to put the 19-hour Spy pen back in the pen cup holder over here. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. This test is done at a normal speaking volume.
Excellent. Now for our next test we're going to do a distance test, and for that we're going to put the pen cup back on that shelf there. This is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And finally, the 19-hour Spy pen at 30 feet. The 8 GB of internal memory will store 144 hours of audio before having to be cleared out. To recharge the battery or listen to the files you've created, you simply spin apart the pen to reveal the USB interface. Now keep in mind you will also need a Windows-based computer to set up the time and date stamp on the pen itself. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.